Good afternoon, everyone. This is Henry, and as we get into the free video for Thursday, February 3rd, I've got the idea that, or at least want to share a potential outlook with you, that you may be seeing the NASDAQ starting to hammer out a more important low. Now, inside a comment like that, realize that there could be a great deal of volatility, right? I'm not looking at this telling you, hey, the low in Apple is 175. Clearly, we've had an amazing run into and after earnings. But what you're trying to use to define this bottoming process, or maybe, fear got to a point where, the selling could be absorbed and there was enough people wanting to get short that it buoys the market. But what we're trying to measure here are the closes above the 21 EMA. So it's all happened very quickly, right? These are just the last 4 sessions. But Apple was the first of these major products to close above that mean moving average. And to me, suggests that the next pullback to the 21 EMA will be a spot to consider buying it. Then you look at some others that are creeping into this idea. You'll notice Google wavered a little bit yesterday, but today, closing well above the 21 EMA and did the same on Monday. So this is another that may be to a point where the worst of it is over. And if you can find some stability there around the 21 EMA, let the faster moving average cross up through that, there are some arguments to be made for a path into higher prices. If we look at NVIDIA, this is one that's right at its mean today. So there is still some heavy lifting to be done, but you're starting to see spots show up. And I feel like there's enough bearish sentiment, or has been, kind of that fear-based driven move and still grips a lot of the market, that we could climb that wall of worry as we get into February and March. So I at least want you to keep that idea in the back of your mind, see how these products continue to close against these levels, and then we will update these ideas in the next free video. Hey traders, this is Henry with simplertrading.com. I wanted to thank you for watching today's video. I hope you found it helpful, and if so, be sure to click the like and subscribe buttons down below. If you would like to also see me putting these ideas into action and trading my own account live in front of you, be sure to sign up at simplertrading.com, and I hope to see you in the chat room sometime soon.